So today we're looking at 1622 Fairfax Avenue in Bessemer, Alabama. This is a completed 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home with about 1,100 square feet, sitting on less than half an acre. Purchase price is $127,500, and we've got the projected rent at $995. Now, from a return standpoint, we're looking at, if you purchase this property cash, first year 7.62, but if you finance the property, which the vast majority of our investors do, you've got a projected return that starts at about 10% in year one, almost 14% by year 5, and then almost 26% by year 15. Now, one of the things that I like about this property is the lower price point. If an investor finances the property with 25% down, the down payment is going to be right at $31,000. So compared to some higher price rentals, this gives all investors a way to get into the market with a lower amount of capital out of pocket while still owning a single family rental in Birmingham metro area. Now, another point that I really want investors to pay attention to is the size of this home. A lot of investors automatically look for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property. And those are absolutely great rentals. We do tons of them. But that does not mean that every good rental has to be a 3-2. Smaller homes like this can still serve a real tenant need, especially when they are priced affordably and located near jobs and schools' everyday services. There's also a very big operational advantage to smaller properties. The larger home, the more surfaces, rooms, flooring, paint, fixtures, and general wear and tear that you may have to address when a tenant moves out. So turnover costs can often be lower with smaller homes simply because there's just less house to turn. That doesn't eliminate maintenance, of course, but it is one of the reasons investors shouldn't necessarily overlook a smaller practical rental. Now, from an area standpoint, we've talked about it a lot. Bessemer continues to be an important part of the greater Birmingham rental market. It also has access to major roadways, employment centers, industrial growth, healthcare, logistics. And that matters because long-term rental demand is usually tied to affordability and access to jobs. So Bessemer checks both of those boxes. Overall, 1622 Fairfax is not about buying the biggest house or really chasing the flashiest property. It's more about buying a completed, affordable rental home at a lower entry point with a projected rent that supports the numbers, a property size that could be more manageable from an operation standpoint. If you want to talk to one of our portfolio advisors, click the schedule a call here. And if you want to do your own dive into the numbers, then click the property on our inventory page.